You don't need to check them nukes.
Yeah, that's good. Just entrance block. So this is my point about. So that one's a tiny. I thought we had a smaller entrance one.
Well, yeah, that one is probably the smallest one here, isn't it?
Yeah, so there's some that are even smaller than that. So as sometimes got on the other apiaries, that is half the size of that. So you can see it's domed in it. So some of them are just about that size from there to there. They're on solid floors. That's all blocked off with the blocks and insulation at the top, and no condensation. So you don't need a breeze going all through the hive and out the roof, because there's vents in the roof, you see, it's mesh inside. So that does. You can see what I'm saying, can't you?
Yeah.
A breeze would go straight in through the cluster, through the open crown board holes, and out through the side vent here on each side. Now that ain't very comfortable, I don't think, for the bees, do you?
No.
So that's my take on, you know,
Winterising the bees.
not getting condensation, because cold, they can handle any cold. There's no doubt about that.
Yeah.
That's the condensation when it drips on the cluster, that'll kill them quickly. See, slowly cutting off, doesn't it?
You did have another one out earlier, an older one.
Yeah, I put that in the other hive. That's what I'm saying. So that's open mesh floor. Completely open. There's no entrance block in there. So the whole bottom bit is open mesh, as you can see underneath is all.
Yeah.
But because they're blocked up at the top, you're not getting all that breeze, wind come through, and there's certainly not, getting condensation. So they can quite easily regulate, because when that insulation is on that crown board, the heat that's come off the bees wouldn't be that. What time that hits the crown board insulation, that's not super cold on the top, is it?
No.
Because obviously, if you didn't have that, that'd be the roof. That would hit the cold air instantly, and that's when they get condensation and drips. But that works for me. That's all I can say. So that's there ends the lesson on that. Right.